Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel WebTech360. Today I will show you how to enable portrait mode on your ZENFONE 3. Trust me, the latest release of Google Camera is working perfectly on the ZENFONE. So just follow the instruction. I am enabling show touches, which helps you as well. This Google Camera app will help enable portrait mode on your Android smartphone. You will find the app in description below. Before installing this app, you need to check your camera API with this app. So search for Google Play Store for this application. After installing, start the application. If you will find all the tick green, you are able to use the Google Camera app. Now just install the APK on your device. Let's start the app. Allow all the permission which is needed. Now go to the setting of camera app. Go to the advanced setting and enable the portrait mode and HDR plus control. Now close the all apps and restart the Google Camera APK. Now you will see the portrait mode option. Now just click it on and let's test the app. Wait few seconds until the image processing is complete. Hooray, all done. You can see the blur, which is too good. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.